Welcome to Saksham's channel.
Hello friends, welcome to Saksham and Dhairya's virtual zoo. I'm gonna teach you how to make a virtual zoo. First, I'm gonna start with my fence. Now I am gonna put my rocks in a circle in front of the fence. Okay. So now I am gonna place a bridge in the middle of the rocks. Now I'm going to place the trees. Now I've placed all of my rocks and trees on the zoo. Now I'm going to place my animals. Now, last but not least, I'm going to put the person zone. This is a mummy lion. This is a cheetah. That's a brother lion. That's a rhino. That's a gorilla. That's a hippo, and that's a bear. And he is scaring the animals with his hands. Thank you for watching Dhairya's and Saksham's video. Please like, subscribe and share this. See you next time. Bye bye.